Well, the Andhra Pradesh government has ordered a judicial probe into the stampede in Tirupati, which led to the death of 6 devotees and injuries to about 40 others, and suggests measures to prevent recurrence of similar incidents in the future. My colleague Sam Daniel has been tracking the latest developments for us. He joins us live at the moment from Ground Zero. Sam, as you have been reporting, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu has pulled up TTD officials and police officers over the lack of planning and crowd management.
That's right, Parameshwar. We come to you from the Tirumala temple on the hilltop in Tirupati, and you see a sea of devotees on this special day of the Vaikunta Ekadasi Dwaraka Darshan. Since 2 a.m. this morning, several thousand devotees have been coming here for darshan who managed to get the tokens. As you said, the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu yesterday announced a formation of a judicial probe to get the facts, and based on that report, he said that the government would fix responsibility. As an immediate action, the government has suspended 2 SP who had allegedly opened up the gate without proper announcement, which had led to the stampede, killing 5 people at that location and 1 person, of course, in another location. And the SP has been transferred besides 2 other officials from the TTD for allegedly not ensuring coordination between the temple authorities and the district authorities. And the condition of the 40 injured people is fine, although 2 continue to be critical. Authorities say they are stable. And the big question, of course, would be whether any lessons would be learned, and would they make sure this kind of a tragedy does not repeat in the future. In fact, the tokens issued, Parameshwar, on that particular day of the tragedy is only for 3 days, which means from Sunday they have to again issue the tokens, for which they say the lessons they learned from this terrible tragedy would be put in place, so that there will be better deployment of more police personnel, better access for ambulances to make sure if things turn wrong, they'll have medical help immediately available. I have a young devotee here. Thank you very much for your time. Where are you coming from and how happy are you?
Good morning, sir. Om Namo Venkatesha. I am from Anantapuramu. I came day before yesterday to Simula, and I got at 5 p.m. tokens. My sincere suggestion is to increase some more counters and tickets also to get all others darshan, sir.
How long did you have to wait that day to get the tokens?
Nearly 5 to 6 hours we waited, sir. So that my suggestion is to increase some more counters so that all the devotees can access freely.
Right.
Yes,
any change would you recommend?
Yes, sir. I recommend to increase some more counters and tickets also, sir.
That's right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And one perspective from a young devotee, Parameshwar. Many also suggest that the administration could think in terms of an online token system to avoid in-person congregation of large crowds. But authorities say they had in mind, but that could actually, they say, deny large sections of people who are not tech savvy, who don't have access to internet, or who may not have a smartphone or a computer at home. And they want to make it democratic so that anybody who is able to come in time and stand in the queue for a token will be able to still make it for darshan. So as of now, it's back to normal in that sense. But authorities say this temple has this tradition for several decades, and they hope everything would work well. And in terms of the numbers, we should wait and watch whether the stampede has had any impact in terms of leading to a cut or reduction in number of devotees visiting. At the moment, things are fine, but we should wait for the official figures to get a sense of whether there's been any impact at all in the visitors' numbers in that sense, Parameshwar.
Sam, thanks so much for joining us with that update. In a grand celebration marking Vaikunta Ekadashi, as my colleague Sam Daniel is reporting, thousands of devotees have thronged the sacred temple of Lord Shiva in Tirumala, eager to seek blessings on this auspicious occasion. I must also inform our viewers that the Andhra Pradesh government has announced a 25 lakh rupee ex gratia amount to the family members of the devotees who were killed in the tragic stampede just a few days ago.